Welcome to Juice with Jeff. If you don't know what we're doing today, go and read the title of the video. Let's get into it already.
Juice with Jeff.
Today is a beautiful day and we are going to be making a Dark and Stormy. This drink is absolutely wonderful, super refreshing on a nice hot summer's day like today. Whew, it's roasty up in here. Come on, people. Oh, man, it's hot. Okay, this is a very simple drink. All you need is 3 ingredients, technically 2 if you want to stick to a more traditional version. All it is dark rum, and I'm using the Kraken just because it is one of my favorite black rums, and it's spiced, and it's just freaking delicious. So that is what I am using. And then we have some ginger beer, and the optional ingredient is lime juice. I love the taste of lime juice, and so we're gonna throw it in there as well. So we'll have our glass, we have some ice. All right, we have our glass of ice. We're gonna add half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm just doing half of a lime. Then we're gonna add our ginger beer. We're gonna go to about there because we want room for our 2 ounces of rum. Gotta let the bubbles fizz out. Ooh, yeah. Okay, I'm so excited to drink this. You have no idea. Holy crap. Okay. Then we're gonna add our 2 ounces of rum on top. And we're adding it on top because now you're getting this amazing layered effect between the ginger beer and the rum. And to top it off, I don't know why I think top is so funny right now. We're just gonna add a wheel of lime to it as our garnish. And there you go. You're gonna want to give it a stir before you drink it. Otherwise, you're literally just gonna be drinking rum. For somebody who enjoys their booze, like me, then that is okay. But if you don't want that boozy sip right away, you're gonna want to give it a stir. So there you go. The cool, crisp, refreshing, super simple, dark and stormy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help me out. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. It's not a very big goal at the moment, but YouTube lets you change your URL when you get to 100, so that's what I'm trying to do. So if you really want to do a good deed for the day and help me out, please hit that subscribe button. Help me reach my goal. And most importantly of all, stay juicy.
Juice with Jeff.